In this video, I'll teach you how to do a text stroke effect. I actually made a tutorial on this in the past when I first started my YouTube channel. And back then, Webflow has expanded obviously over the years, but they didn't actually have a native way to do this stroke effect. As you can see on my screen, this is the previous video, by the way. You had to inject a custom code, but now Webflow has fixed that a long time ago. I'm just remaking a video. So this is a text stroke effect where you can see that the fill is actually transparent and there's a stroke or an outline of, let's say, 2 pixels. Again, in the past, I put in this custom code of .outline, which is the class name, followed by text fill color transparent, then text stroke 2 pixels, and then you put the color hexacode. So, this method worked in the past because there was no native way and it just took ages to update it. So let's say you want to change this from 2 pixel stroke to 6 pixels. You hit save and close, it's done it. Now I have to click, and now if I don't like it, I have to go back into the code. And let's say I want to change the color to, let's say, black. So I'll just go, let's say 13131313, hit save and close. Now it's like, oh, okay, now I don't like this color. It's a bit not intuitive. So let's go ahead and just delete this old code and let's start from scratch. In this case, you can see this is a header 1 and I want to make this into a text stroke effect. So firstly, let me just give it a class of, let's just say, stroke on the right hand side. Then here we can obviously give it whatever size we want. Let's just say 7 rems so we can see it clearly. And then line height, let's put 1.1 line height. Then below that, you can go ahead and change the color of this text as whatever you want. But in this case, it wouldn't matter because we're gonna make this into transparent. So if you scroll down and there's a button that says more options right here, if you click into that, there's now a line called stroke. I say now, they've actually added this ages ago, but since making that first video, they didn't have this. You can go ahead and add the stroke. So just like in Figma or in Sketch, let's say a width of 2 pixels. And right here with the color of the typography, we can actually go ahead and just make this transparent. And then with the stroke right here, the color, we can go ahead and change it to something. Let's say black. You see, that's a stroke effect right there. And this is so easy because now you can just change different colors as you see by just moving this in a visual way rather than using that custom code. And that's essentially it. That's how you do a stroke. Obviously, we have the class stroke right here, so we can go ahead and apply it to different text elements, and that will go ahead and apply that as well. But that is how you do a stroke effect in Webflow. I'm just revisiting this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. I think stroke effects add a unique design. So if you have a unique design that you're using, outlines for text, this is how I'll do it, and it makes stuff stand out, and it's very subtle. When you have this stroke effect, it's very, very subtle. So hope you found this video super quick. If you did enjoy my video, please check out my website dereksu.com.au/value for more value. I'll see you in the next one. Peace be with you. Also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, thanks, bye.